Der Gesamtbetrag
Ja.
mit der Karte oder Device.
We bought our dream camera. I bought the most hated and the most wanted camera in the world. Let's unbox it. Hi everyone! We are currently in the city and we are heading to the Leica store, which is located in the old town. And we are about to test out the Leica Q3 28mm and check it out. Let's see how we like it, how we want to touch it, you know, when you want to buy something. So potential buy something, we want to try it out in person. It's different experience when you do that in person and not just to watch videos, reviews online, but you want to really feel the product. So that's what we're doing today. And we're so excited. It has been for a really long time our dream camera. We have always wanted to have a Leica camera. This is like the ultimate one for us. We are with the baby here in the store and we are approaching the store. Almost there. It's on the right side. Are you excited as well? Yay! Yay! Check out the pictures we did.
Deshalb heißt die eben Leica Q3, weil es war quasi die erste standardmäßig mit diesem der Gesamtbetrag. Mit der Karte oder Device können Sie gerne einfach hier gegenhalten.
Oh my god, we did it! Can't believe this! We did it! We bought our dream camera. Fun story, we were in this store 6 years ago when we moved to Zurich and we checked out a similar model.
Like Q.
Yeah, and it felt like it was so much money, and I mean it's still so much money, but and all these years we were thinking, okay, should we buy it, should we don't buy it, and now after 6 years we are in the store again and we're buying it. We loved it. We loved it. Ta-da! Yeah, super cool. Right, get rid of this. And here you go. We have the Leica Q3. Unboxing. Yeah. Ta-da! Okay. Look at this box. Just the small details like the logo in front here on the top. It looks so sleek and luxurious. Everything is like perfect, the perfect box. Yeah. Okay. Ta-da! We have the body of the Leica Q3 and it feels really nice. It looks and feels amazing. This is the Q3 28mm 1.7 and it's basically a full frame body, compact body camera, which is amazing. And what else? It has 60 megapixels and also the video. They updated the video feature and you can record 8K with this compact camera, which is amazing. Let's check out what we have in the box. I'll put it on the side. Okay. I suppose this is the menu and some product quality certificate. Okay, good to have. Okay, let's see what we have inside. We have a leather strap in black with the logo here in the middle. Here you go, the strap. We also have the battery. Let's put it inside this side. Also, a cool feature is when you want to remove the battery, here you press, but it's not, you can't drop the battery. It stays like this, and in order to remove it, you need to push it one more time, and it goes like this, which is a really cool feature. What else? We have a ring, and we have also this USB to C cable. You can charge the camera with this cable, and also you can transfer some data from the camera. And that's pretty much what's inside the box. And in the front we have the cup. And here is the lens, 28mm. You can see the design is super minimalistic, and that's what also was a factor for us. You can see super basic, minimalistic design. You have just a few buttons. Also, this model, the Q3, comes with a really cool tilting screen, which is amazing if you want to get some low angle, high angle shots. It will be really handy. We're looking also for a camera which will work for our current situation, which is we are two parents with a baby, and we would love also to travel and also to do more videos for YouTube and so on. So this camera, we believe, will be the perfect match for our case, for our situation. It's a family of 3 now, and it is the most important factor for us. It's really compact and it contains a lot. I mean, video and quality, image quality, everything. And we are super excited to test it out in the world. I think we have already done like a real life outside shooting. For sure, I will include now footage of us testing out the camera outside, so you can see our first test shots with the Leica. I will share the video now. And we are in Zurich for some test shots with the Leica Q3. And Evelyn is in action right now. Baby Lazar is sleeping and I am modeling. Look at me, I'm a model. So far so good. We've been shooting for the last 30 minutes and it's impressive. The colors, the sharpness, it's really good. We are excited to see how they look post-production, how much editing they need.
This is their whole
Yeah, we're shooting in RAW, but like a RAW format, but I'm not sure if they need some editing at all. I mean, we'll see.
We will see.
Yes.
Of course.
Let's continue with the shots. Another test shot towards the sunlight.
Now we will try to make some contre-shot. I will try to make some contre-shot. Can you stay here? Can you give me a camera? Who is here? Lazar?
We also bought this Power Pro 67mm filter, and it's the mist model. And also I ordered, it's not here, but I ordered also a step-up ring for this filter. It looks like this. And also this hand grip. This is from the Leica itself. And it looks like this. Nice. It looks like this. I will mount it. It feels really comfortable in the hand, like this. I think it's a great accessory. If you would like, you can get it. And this is why this is one of the most wanted cameras in the world, on the market. But why so hated? Probably because of the price tag. Let me know in the comments if you also own a Leica model and what is your experience with the camera. How do you like it? Do you enjoy it? Would you recommend it to someone who is really willing to buy it? Let me know in the comments, and also like the video, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!